Back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on find my device in a Tecno phone. Friends, you want to own your find my device, so friends you can own it. And guys now let's see how to on find my device in a Tecno phone. In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to on your find my device, then guys scroll it. So once you can see this type of settings, so once how can you on guys find my device in your Tecno phone? So you will have to guys click on guys your security setting guys, and guys you can see find my device. So friends, you want to on, so guys you can on from here. And guys find my device helps you guys you locate this your device remotely. If you lose the device, it also helps you or keep your data safe. So guys you can on, and guys you want to track your phone, so guys you can track but guys your find my device is on, so guys you can track, otherwise not. So like that guys you can on your find my device in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet our next video. Bye bye friends.